Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my channel. I am going to discuss about Material Studio. Material Studio is a software tool by which we can simulate, by which we can model materials up to atom and molecular levels. Through Material Studio, we can calculate various properties of the materials like electronic properties and band structures, optical properties in which absorption, reflection and transmission is included, mechanical properties, also thermal properties, magnetic property like magnetization of the materials, sensibilities of the materials, vibrational properties of the material we can study through Material Studio. So when you open the Material Studio software, first of all you will get this type of interface in which the Material Studio software want to know about are you going to your previous project or you are going to open a new one. So here if you are interested to open a new one, so click here and go OK. The Material Studio software will open a new project for you. You will save it in your PC, but I am going in my previous project with the name of learning project. So the software will open my previous one, learning project. So this is basically the interface of the Material Studio, in which this is the interface of your project. What you are doing in your project will be appear here, and here is the interface of the properties of the documents of the model which you model in your project, and this interface will show the description of your project like the job ID and the gateway progress status of the job will be appear here, and in the main section here you have the model of the project will be appear here. So these are the tools by which you can modify, by which you can do everything on your material. So first of all, if you are interested to import a model in your project, so you can import a material from the laboratory of the Material Studio software. So here we have a folder with the name of structure. When you click it, you will get a lot of folders with different names, with different materials, we can say, because we have glass, metal dioxide, metals, minerals, polymers. So here if you are interested to open dioxide material, so here I am interested to get titanium dioxide in my project. When I click on open, so it will appear in my project. So this is basically titanium dioxide unit cell. By right click we can change the display of our model. So if you are interested ball and stick display, so it will appear. All you are interested ball and line type of display, it will appear. If you are just doesn't want to appear anything, so you can only get the slab of the material. So this is basically material. If you are only interested in lines, I want to just understand you. From here you can change the display of the material. So if you want to label, if you want to know that which one is titanium and which one the oxygen, so by right clicking here is one of the option is label. If you want to label, from here you can label your material, like I just want to label my elements symbolically. So by applying I get the symbol of every material in here. So if I use 3D rotator, so we can rotate the material in 3 dimension. So basically I want to discuss that first when you import the structure of the material in your Material Studio, so you should optimize it firstly. So for optimization here this can use for calculation. So when you click on calculation, you get this type of interface. So first of all, when you import, I already said that if you import anything in your any model in your Material Studio, first of all you should optimize it geometrical. So for geometrical optimization, you should give task to Material Studio for geometrical optimization. And if you have new and you have no idea about specific quality for finding the geometrical optimization, you can use fine option. By fine, the Material Studio will get all the fine options for your calculation. And we know that our material is not a metal, so we will remove the metal option. And these are the function. It's okay for a new person, so the cutoff energy will be fine and everything is on fine. So we are just interested in optimization, so no need of population analysis. So I am going to give all the codes of my PC to my Material Studio for calculation. After you set all the parameters like that, then you click on the run button. Material Studio are asking about which submit you want to use. So I want to choose no one. So our calculation of optimization is going into starting.